G'day guys, today we're going to have a look at these two D-MAXs that we've got in the workshop at the moment, and the reason for doing so is because they both have our GVM upgrades on them, but the car to my left has got our Platinum GVM upgrade, the car to my right has got our Touring upgrade, and we'll have a look at the differences between one and the other. What makes it the Platinum kit, what makes it the Touring kit, what are the advantages of one or the other over each other. So when we look at more closely at the kits, you'll see between the two, the springs are the same, front and rear, both selected according to the amount of weight we're expecting to carry on the car. But where the difference between the Touring kit like this one is and the Platinum kit, we'll see in a moment, comes down to the choice of shock absorber. The Touring kit has a twin tube shock absorber like this, so a standard type of technology shock absorber. It's nitrogen charged, so good fade resistance, all that kind of thing, large bore, but it's non-adjustable. Continuing around to the front of the car, at the front end, the same kind of arrangement. We've got the coil spring, which is the same between either car, and we have the twin tube gas charged shock absorber or strut in the front. At the moment we'll take a look at the Platinum car and we'll just see the differences there with the remote reservoirs and the adjustments, the adjusting knob on the top. Alright, onto the car with the Platinum setup. The leaf spring is the same as before because that is selected according to the amount of load we need to carry, but you'll see a significant difference in the shock absorber. In this case it's a single tube instead of a twin tube shock absorber, but it's got this remote reservoir here that is a mixture of gas and liquid inside, gas and oil, and they're connected through this valving arrangement at the top. And on the underside here we actually have the adjuster. That easy way to tell it apart. It's got the remote reservoir, a tube linking the two, and the black boot is on the bottom instead of on the top as we saw with the other variety of shock absorber. So with the remote reservoir, aside from the adjustment, we actually get much better fade behaviour. There's much higher pressure, much more oil in the system as well. So for really heavy duty use, so under severe conditions, this shock will be much better at resisting fade on corrugations, but also as our loads get higher and higher as we're getting close to GVM, this shock is typically valved a bit more stiffly, and because it's adjustable as well, we can make it stiffer. So as the car is getting heavier and heavier, we can adjust the shock absorber to better suit the load, and that'll give us much better, more control, much more body roll control when the car is fully loaded. Okay, on the front of the car equipped with the Platinum now, you can easily see the remote reservoir mounting right up here on the top of the suspension tower. So you can see the black boot from the different type of shock, and you can see the hose as well, the hose connecting to the bottom of the shock absorber. So here, and you can also see the numbers here for the adjustment on the side. So there we have it, the differences between the Platinum GVM upgrade kit and the Touring GVM upgrade kit, as you can see on these two D-MAXs back to back. They're both great looking cars. We've put on the off-road animal bars as well. Snorkel, we've got a long range tank here. The other one's got the same off-road animal bar, some clear view mirrors. Both cars are going off to get bodies fitted, and they'll be great touring cars for their owners once they get them ready for work. So don't forget to hit like and subscribe below, and keep following us for the next videos coming along.